Hello guys, my name is David and today we are going to talk about exception handling in Java. So what is an exception? Exception is a part during the runtime where we encounter the unnecessary interruption in the output that is supposed to be obtained, and here we have an example of what it's supposed to be like. So what we have here is the question given to me was initially we create a class called student and then we create an object which has the attributes of getting its name and marks for three subjects, and then we calculate the average of it and find if he's passed in first class or not, or if he's failed. So here we have created an object called student, and here in the class student we have attributes like asked, and then we have functions for getting the information and calculating the average. Then we find the length of the name. If it is greater than 7, it throws new length exception. I've defined length exception here. So in this class called length exception, which extends exception, uh, is created, and then we create a constructor with using the same class name, and then we print the message that has to be given to the user telling that it is greater than 7. In a similar way, we find out average is less than 50. We throw a failed exception which is caught here in the failed exception, and it accesses the information from here where the constructor is invoked. Similar case for average is greater than 50 and less than 75, and for average greater than 75 it prints that he has passed in first class. So once we run this program, so the name here I would like to give contains more than 7 characters, so I give in a random name, then I enter the marks 12, 32 and 43. So here name is greater than 7 characters as it consists of 8 here totally, and the student has failed is printed because the average of the three subjects is lesser than 50. And similarly, if we go for between 75, now if I give a name less than 7 characters and I go for 53, 76 and 64, now it comes a student has not passed first class because it lies between the range 50 and 75, and here the name is less than 7 characters, so there is no problem with that. And that's all for exception handling, and thank you guys.